Okay, we are given the equation of the line, y plus 5 equals 6 times parentheses x plus 9, and it's in this point slope form. We need to identify the slope of the line and point x1, y1. So notice slope is just as is. It's just whatever number is in front of the parentheses. So in this case, the slope is just going to be 6. Now the point, notice it says minus x1 minus y1. So what that means is whatever we see here, it's going to be the opposite because it's subtracting whatever the actual value of y1 is. So since it's plus 9, we're going to have negative 9 for the x value. So again, it's got to be the opposite because it's subtracted. Then similarly, y1 will just be negative 5. So make sure if you're having to pull it out of the equation, just remember it's the opposite of the x1, y1 values.